welcome to my channel. This is my berry-tastic plum. If you want to see how I did this look, essentially, then just keep watching. This is my drugstore makeup routine. And one of my friends asked me about it and talking about drugstore products because, you know, we all trying to ball on the budget. And lucky for you guys, that's how I started learning how to do my makeup, by watching drugstore makeup routines, because that's all I had money for. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna start with my brows. I always start with my brows, but I have an eyebrow routine. That's my first video. I'm not gonna get in depth. If you guys want an in-depth look at how I did it, you can watch my eyebrow routine. I'm gonna be looking down because I have my mirror down here. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using. I'm gonna list everything in the down bar below. You can use any brow pencil. When I first started, there's Shop Miss A. Shop Miss A is an online, this is not sponsored by the way, beauty shop, but like everything's $1. It's crazy. Literally, like, you know, Family Dollar be like everything's not $1. It's actually $1 on there. And this was $1, and it comes with the spoolie end and the tip, but the tip is not super sharp, so you have to like angle it to how you want it. I personally fell in love with the Nyx Eyebrow Gel in the color Espresso. Hold on. But yeah, I use this, and then I set with the Ulta Beauty. Ulta counts as drugstore, right? If not, Maybelline has a clear eyelash gel. They have some type of clear mascara. That's the same thing. This is just clear mascara, but it's clear brow gel. I got in some kit for Christmas one year. I'm gonna speed through these brows. Fun fact, ladies, if you sell lashes, pack spoolies with it because I love that. Like, this is from my girls' lash company, Gaudy Lash. It's in my description box. My girls, the people, I support my friends 100%. I'm gonna take the sidebar real quick. I support my friends 101%, just how they support me, and I love and appreciate all of you for that. So I wanted to incorporate my friends' brands below. So you should see Gaudy Lash, my girl Natalia, Ziara with Savage City, Alexis with Lexi's Lashes, and for health and wellness, like self-care and all that stuff, I have my girl Ariana. I have her podcast saved to my Spotify. I'm gonna put the link below if you don't see it already, that means I forgot and I'm really sorry. But I dropped her Instagram, so you can go find it straight from her Instagram. But yeah, guys, so I'm just gonna go through these browser. Oh, my favorite person just hit me. This is it for the brows. I'm honestly irritated. I don't want to go the rest of this tutorial irritated, so we're just gonna keep going. So I'm done with my brows. I'm not touching those hoes again for the rest of this tutorial. I'm kind of over it. I'm just gonna put my clear brow gel in real quick. Just brush. Again, clear mascara will be just fine. I mean, I'm leaving the brows, but I'm not leaving the little concealer around the brows. No. Some girls do it for fun. God bless them. That ain't me though. Okay. Anyways, eyeshadow. So before I do my like lid base or whatever, which is why I put the concealer, I'm gonna put more concealer. For that, I'm gonna go through some of my drugstore palettes that I like to recommend. I first started makeup and I was into the natural look, which I'm definitely not anymore. But when I used to be, I started with the Wet n Wild Color Icon palette. And this one was called Comfort Zone. This one is Comfort Zone, okay? And this one, it has like 2 separate rows of looks you can do. Another one I like is the Soft and Sultry by Milani. She's real cute too. There's actually a pink version I think called like Soft Sweet Passion or something like that. This one's just natural on nudes. I don't really use this, but it's there. It's definitely an option. Their whole like brand, like their whole cute little gold palettes like this, they have like 3 of them I think, including this one, the pink Sweet Passion one or whatever. That one's cute too. And then this one, my best friend bought me this. It's the Colourpop. I consider Colourpop Drugstore because she is affordable and we love Colourpop. Please sponsor me. I love you guys so much. Y'all look out for my bank account, okay? I love you, Colourpop. Please love me back. Anyways, this is the Dream Street, the Kathleen Lights collab. Nice. I think I actually might work with this palette for this tutorial. I might, because she's real cute. Another one I really love, I got this at Ulta. Nyx is a drugstore brand, but you can find her at Ulta, Walmart, Target, any of those places. But this is the Sugar Trip Squad. This is one of their I think it was like a Christmas thing that they had, but it's Sugar Trip Squad. I have to see if it's still available, but it's one of my favorites. It's so cute. It's got some cute little shimmers going on and a lot of mattes. The mattes are really pigmented. I did a purple look using these 2 before. Really pretty. Not at all. But we're going to use what's left of medium beige on my lids. Oh, that's actually a good amount. And my beauty blender is already damp. Isn't this cute? A little baggy beauty. I put my beauty blenders in here. It's mad cute. Anyways. And it's damp, so it's big. Instead I use a flat part for something else. Oh, I almost messed up my brow. Don't do that. I use a little round part and just blend, 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 blend. All the TikTok songs in my head and around my head. You and me, the old body. The cold body. And this the new body. Let me get a new one. Just gonna get some new to me like a too big. Now we are all blended, and before it starts to get crusty and creasy, I'm going to go into the Kathleen Lights palette. I'm going to take this brush right here, dust out any excess color, whatever I had on here. I'm going to take Magical. Right here. And I'm just going to dust that all over. Just to set the color, kind of like how you guys would set it with a powder. My little brother EJ.
I play GTA. I'm a 215. You already know. Hop on. Add me. You already know. Add me. Add me on GTA.
Don't add him on GTA. Bye.
Add me. You already know.
Bye. Okay, that's enough. Goodbye.
Yeah. Add me. Remember.
I'm gonna edit it out.
No.
Don't add me. Goodbye. Thank you.
Remember to add me. I play GTA. Red 215.
Screaming. Oh, that was funny. That too is very shaded my crease.
You know, I also play PS4, so, you know, whoever's a PS4 player out there, add me, you know?
Screaming.
Respect.
Yo. And then I'm going to go back with that other brush that I packed, that peach color, and I'm going to go back up and blend that right back out on top so we don't lose that. Okay, she's cute, simple but cute. I'm gonna go with a different brush. It's a Morphe M562. It's really small. I'm gonna take this little light shade right here in the palette, dab it off, and just kind of dust it up top. Then I'm take a flat packing brush and I'm going to spray it with the NYX setting spray. I think it's still setting spray. I think I'm just gonna go with Spark. I'm just gonna take Spark and kind of pack it on my lid. Oh yeah, this is cute. Okay, Spark. I forgot it was an everyday look. Okay, well now it's just gonna be a plum. I'll do an everyday one though if you guys want to see it. I'm gonna go back in with the one I used to the peach color and blend out the edges on this one. I'm gonna take my NYX Gel Liner in white. I know, you guys are like, we just saw you with the little liner. I know, you guys missed that whole bit. Apparently, it didn't die. My camera didn't die, but like, it stopped recording. You guys missed the whole eyeliner bit, but basically I just took this NYX white eyeliner gel liner. I used this brush at first. It looked so wide. And went into the Dream Street palette, the same Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette, and I went into the shade Moody, and I put that on top of the liner, so it kind of wouldn't be so sticky, because it was sticky and tacky, and I don't mess up. I know I said at first this was gonna be like everyday. I'll post an everyday one. If you guys really want to see an everyday one, we can do that. I just want to experiment, play around with this. I'm gonna go back into this one. Go back to the Dream Street palette real quick and pack on this little. You see what's on my lid right here, and this is color Spark right here. This pink one. Go back into Spark and gently pack that on my lid, so we don't lose that. A lot of my friends, like, I went to school with and stuff, everyone's like, oh my god, you're so good at makeup, da da da. Guys, it's all trial and error. I just be playing around with shit, and sometimes they work, sometimes it doesn't. And thankfully, this one kind of looked nice, and it kind of accidentally matched my hair. Like, whoa, come on. But I'm really impressed with this. Like, I really like how this turned out. Now we can finally get through this damn video, because I've been taking forever on this little stuff. I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Baby Skin. Again, all drugstore, all affordable. I list everything down below. Sometimes I dab it strictly on my face. Sometimes I go like, I have smile lines, so I have to focus it there for my foundation. My favorite foundations, drugstore foundations, have to be the Maybelline line. Maybelline, when I first started watching drugstore makeup videos with black girls, they put me onto the Maybelline Fit Me, and then soon after came the Superstay. But the Superstay didn't have like a wide range of colors. It had a lot of the older colors, but not all of them. And I'm a weird mix. I'm 338, spicy brown. And this doesn't have that. It has like the one before this, I think 336, and then 340. So I got the 340. That way I can just use concealer to brighten it up. But this is like my exact shade. So we're gonna go in. Because again, this whole thing's gonna get lightened up with powder and all that shit anyway. That's that. I'm gonna go in. Before I go back in, I know. You already know what I'm gonna say. Fawn. Okay, so every now and then my camera turns off and I don't understand. It's not dead. I don't know where we left off, guys. I'm really sorry. I'm working on it. I think every 10 minutes it shuts off. It might be a feature on this camera. I have to look into it because again, I'm new to using this camera, guys. I'm really sorry. So I'm still trying to learn the ins and outs of this. Okay, so the last steps are highlight, blush, and contour. What are you guys thinking? Blush? Girl, you black. Okay, and I look like a blushing queen. So the only reason I use blush also is because this was free. I'm not gonna willingly buy blush. This is free. It came with my purchase. Beige Cosmetics is another affordable online brand. I had to take. Honestly, I'm just gonna mix all of them because I don't really care. Just mix them all in. Lightly just. This is actually really pretty. I like dusting over my nose like the little e-girls. Well, I'm gonna call this like a rose glam. This is very rosy and cute. I was not expecting this to be all like This is very cute. Drugstore. Got this at Walmart. True Complexion Black Radiance in the medium dark. And I used the middle shade, I think. I don't remember what shade. I always forget. I just use this Real Techniques brush. Yeah, I think so. I gotta blend this out so I don't look like a Kardashian. This is also looking really rosy and I'm getting scared. So I'm just gonna take this and brush some of this away because I'm actually terrified now. Because imagine if it looks too pink and I'm out here looking like a crackhead. I forgot to do my lashes, didn't I? I did. It's okay, the lashes are gonna be easy to pop. I don't have to wait for anything now. Before, I would usually do it while the rest of my face, while I have time to let it dry, but I have a new method, y'all, so I don't need to do that anymore, period. Now I'm going to the Beige Cosmetics Wild and Radiant palette. I've been using this for years, since I first started makeup. Am I golden? I'm just gonna, I just be going anywhere, guys. I don't even care anymore. Let's just mix into all, not all of them. Let's just go into these. And let's just, oh! Wow! It was a little liney at first. I've never used this brush for it. That's why. I'm trying to figure out something new. I don't exactly like this brush for it. That's the whole reason I bought this brush though. Guys, I'm terrified. Did I use too much bronzer? I'm just gonna go use my all over face brush. When in doubt, use your all over face brush that you use for your skin tone and just brush that bad boy in. Somehow it fixes everything. Because right now I feel extra. I feel like a Kardashian. I feel like I just OD. I was in the tanning booth forever. They forgot me in there. That's what I feel like, and I'm scared. I feel like that just saved it. I really hope it did, because if it didn't, I must be terrified. Last thing I'm gonna do is my lashes. Again, I don't recommend them ugly ass. I mean, not ugly. They're cute. They're pretty lashes. They were just uncomfortable, so I'm not recommending them, even though they're actually from the drugstore. So these are from Amazon. They're the Jameer Faux Mink Hello Beauty lashes. It comes with 3, I think, for like $12.99. I think, which I think is pretty affordable. Take my dual lash glue, the one that comes in the green box, the brush on. Here, this one. Guys, ever since I started doing my lashes this way, it's never failed and I'm just in love. Also, these lashes are beautiful. Amazon. I guess I'll take this L'Oreal Luminous Superstar X Fiber and just use this part. Okay, guys, my camera's dying, so let's make this quick because I'm not setting this up on my phone. But here's the final look. So it looks very tastic. Like, this came out really pretty, actually. Like, guys, the look came out a lot prettier than I thought it was going to, so I'm very pleased with that. But look at this, guys. Oh, because we are that. Yes, honey, period. I don't like it with this wig though. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. My camera's dying, but I hope you guys enjoyed this berry-tastic look that took 500 years for me to film. But if you guys want to see more, definitely look at my last 2 videos and let me know what you guys want to see. And yeah, stay tuned. Bye, guys.